Ever had your Git repository stuffed with retry files you didn't mean to commit? It's like leaving breadcrumbs all over your code. Adding Gitignore ensures you keep things tidy. Only the files you truly care about get tracked. This makes working with teammates easier, avoids unnecessary clutter, and saves you from embarrassing oops moments when pushing to GitHub. I'm Amelia James, a technology expert with 13+ years of experience designing and delivering human resource management systems that actually work for people. I specialize in building scalable integrated HR platforms that streamline processes, enhance employee experience, and give leadership real-time, actionable insights. Meet Gitignore, your best friend for managing Git repositories. It tells Git which files to ignore, preventing junk from sneaking into version control. Whether it's logs, temporary files, or retry leftovers, Gitignore keeps your repo streamlined. Think of it as a bouncer for your project, only letting in files that truly belong. Ansible Retry Files are lifesavers when debugging failed tasks, but do you really want them piling up in Git? Nope. Adding them to Gitignore prevents unnecessary clutter, ensuring only essential files make it into your repo. Trust me, your teammates will thank you for keeping things neat. Ansible Retry Files are like your personal assistant for troubleshooting failed tasks. Whenever a playbook run encounters errors, Ansible generates these files so you can retry only the failed tasks instead of starting from scratch. Handy, right? But letting them sit in your Git repository is like saving failed experiments in your final research paper. Imagine opening a commit history and seeing retry files all over the place. Chaotic. These files clutter your repository, causing unnecessary confusion. Mistakenly committing them can lead to inconsistent workflows and unnecessary file tracking. A Gitignore entry is the quick fix. Ever played hide and seek with Ansible Retry Files? They usually sit in the same directory as your playbook and have names like Ansible Retry. Once you've troubleshot the issue, they can be safely deleted. Think of them like disposable sticky notes for debugging. Creating a Gitignore file is easy. Just drop a new file named Gitignore into your project's root directory and list the files you want Git to ignore. You can even use predefined templates. It's like crafting a VIP guest list, but for your code repository. Want a cleaner repo? Add Ansible Retry to your Gitignore. This ensures these files don't clutter your commits, leading to a tidier history and smoother teamwork. Think of it as sweeping the mess under the rug, except here, it's totally the right thing to do. A simple Gitignore entry can keep retry files out of your repo forever. Just add *retry and voila, no more messy commits. It's like adding no junk mail to your mailbox and actually making it work. Before we trust Gitignore to do its magic, let's double check that it's set up correctly. Is it where it's supposed to be? Do the patterns match the files you actually want to ignore? A quick Git status should reveal if it's working. And if things seem off, Git check ignore can save the day. Managing Gitignore like a pro is key to a clean repo. Update it regularly, avoid ignoring crucial files, and add comments. It'll make life easier for everyone. And if you're working in a team, ensure common patterns are shared to keep things consistent. Ever had an important file disappear from version control? It's probably Gitignore being a little too enthusiastic. Check the list. Use important file to undo unintended exclusions and always run tests before committing. Because honestly, debugging an ignored file is no fun. Ansible Retry Files sneaking into commits. A global Gitignore is your best friend. Set one up, add those pesky retry files, configure with git config, and ensure it works across all projects. No more accidental commits of failure logs. Something's not quite right. Time to troubleshoot. Git check ignore can pinpoint issues. Pattern order matters more than you think, and yes, whitespace errors in Gitignore are sneaky. Validate everything with git status before pulling out your hair. A clean commit is a happy commit. Review ignored files. Use pre-commit hooks to catch errors. Validate everything before pushing, and avoid dumping unnecessary files into your repo. Trust me, future will thank present you. That's a wrap. We've covered everything from setup to troubleshooting. Now it's your turn. Apply these best practices. Keep Gitignore updated and always stay on guard against unintended exclusions. Happy coding! Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. For more information, contact us.